Mastering drywall finishing skills like taping, mudding, and sanding can totally transform your home renovation game and save you big bucks on contractor bills. Okay, so first off, you gotta get your taping down right. Use a good quality drywall tape and press it in smoothly to avoid bubbles. When you're mudding, don't go heavy with the first coat. Thin layers dry better and crack less. Sanding is all about patience. Wait until your mud is bone dry, then use fine grit sandpaper to get that smooth finish without wrecking the drywall surface. Texture matching is tricky but super important if you want your patch to blend in. Try to replicate the spray or knockdown texture by practicing on a scrap piece first. For patch repairs, clean the edges well and use a patch that fits snugly to avoid gaps. Always keep your tools clean to get the best results and don't rush. Drywall finishing is a slow process but worth the time. Also, wear a mask when sanding because that dust is no joke. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall finishing is applying mud too thickly, which leads to cracking and uneven surfaces. Fix this by doing multiple thin coats instead. Another common issue is poor tape application, like leaving bubbles or wrinkles, which causes visible seams. Smooth the tape carefully with a mud-covered knife to prevent this. Third, people often skip sanding or sand too aggressively, messing up the wall's smoothness. Always wait for full drying and use gentle sanding techniques to get that pro look. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for drywall finishing and other home improvement jobs so you can stop stressing about who to call. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with new clients and grow their business without the hassle.